Once again, fake mechanics liens are used to get titles for vehicles, and it always gets found out. So it's not a process you want to use unless you're a legitimate repair shop. Here's an example out of Las Vegas, Nevada, where there were two repair shops that were using fake work orders, fake mechanics liens, to do vehicle title fraud. And basically, what they were doing is they were pretending that there was work done on vehicles or putting in fake mechanics liens to get titles transferred to them to do illegal lien sales of these vehicles. There were 5 vehicles worth $300,000. They were high-end vehicles. According to the DMV Compliance Enforcement Division, it says falsifying title documents and fraudulently obtaining ownership of a vehicle through a lien sale is the same as stealing it. So a lot of times it's tempting to use a mechanics lien or lien sale to get a vehicle, but if you put anything that's incorrect on the title documents, it's fraud. Under a lien sale, a licensed body shop or garage is allowed to conduct an auction to recoup money when the owner doesn't pay. That's reasonable. But the business must follow strict procedures and sell the vehicle to a third party. And a lot of times what they do is they pretend there's a third party and they make up a name that's related to them, friend, relative. The investigators say that these people allegedly falsified work orders and then sold the vehicles to their friend for profit. Fraudulent repair orders were used to complete lien sales. And look, the DMV knows about this. This is not the first time this happened. There's hundreds and hundreds of these cases. Anytime a lien sale package goes to the DMV, they're going to audit it. They're going to look at it very carefully because they know it's very often used for fraud, because basically you're taking away somebody's vehicle and giving it to yourself. So they don't take it lightly. It's something that they do a lot of due diligence when they're going to process these at the DMV. The illegal process is not something you can hide because you have to sign documents. And they will also send notices to the last owner to make sure that somebody's not abusing the lien sale process. According to the Compliance Enforcement Division, they're currently targeting businesses that do this because it's so common. They wouldn't be looking at it unless a lot of people do it. So be aware that there's a lot of companies out there which are attempting to try to get people titles using a fake lien sale process, and you don't want to be part of that because they'll revoke these titles and you'll be out the vehicle and out your money.